Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Leo at sa mga bago. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gawin natin today ay ang yung weekly reading for the for March 9 to March 15. Okay. So habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Leo na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please continue supporting by liking this video. And sa mga bago, sana supportan niyo po ang channel by subscribing. I-like nyo na rin po ang video na to. It helps my channel grow. Ayan. And engage na rin kayo sa comment section na mag-resonate ng video. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay bubunot ako ng 7 cards. The 7th card ay sa 7 days na paparating. Okay? Okay. So, simulan na natin. Oh, 10 of Swords. 4 of Swords. 7 of Pentacles. Knight of Swords. Five of Pentacles. The Devil. Ooh, last one. Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Walang lumabas na wands at cups. So, it's more on something words and actions yung medyo nagre-revolve yung week ninyo. Not really on the desires or emotions or feelings. Pero with you and your person, I can sense here na okay, I'm just reading the cards, okay? Pero bago yun pala, there's a strong energy of Capricorn in this reading. Pwede ninyo sign ng person ninyo but doesn't have to. Yun na yung nasasagap na strong energy sa reading na to. Pero okay, sige. Um, Ten of Swords and Four of Swords. So there was an ending na nangyari between you and your person, and it's you're going now into healing journey. Medyo nagre-recover ka pa from what happened, and you can sense here na itong person na to masakit siya magsalita. Okay, and medyo okay. Again, I'm just reading the cards. Medyo ano din siya. Alam mo yun, hindi lang masakit magsalita pero minsan may physical part din. Okay? So, that's why it ended, the relationship ended. Okay? Hindi ka lang niya sinasaktan physically but emotionally through the words and through the actions. Okay? So, now you're recovering from it. Okay? And as shown here by the Seven of Pentacles, na you're really reflecting on what conspired. Ano ba yung nangyari? Ano ba yung kaganapan? And makita mo dito na sa Knight of Swords nga na there's na masyado ka rin kasing nagpadalos-dalos. You you're so impulsive, parang you get involved with this person, nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon, connection, pero alam mo eventually din na, I mean, hindi ka pa nga din sigurado sa person na yon, yun nga, parang very impulsive na nakipagrelasyon ka sa person, pero it ended up nga na hindi siya okay, it made you sad, there's so much um, what, lacking of love and affection, itong person is very manipulative. Shown here by the devil, itong person na to is someone who manipulates people, someone na may even may cheating tendency, basta hindi siya okay. Okay, pero yun nga, na-involved ka sa kanya, it didn't work out well kasi nga masakit siya magsalita, di ba? Sinasaktan ka niya. So, nag-end yung situation. And as shown here also by the Knight of Pentacles is really um, you taking responsibility of yourself na. And it's a good thing na kumawala ka na dun sa sitwasyon. Okay? Sige, alamin natin yung detalye pa ng sitwasyon ninyo. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, di ba, huwag natin pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya, very important na nakasubscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos sa mga susunod na araw. Or try nyo panoorin yung mga past videos. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Alright, let's see. Four of Wands. Two of Coins. King of Coins. The Devil na naman. My gosh. Yun, talagang Seven, Queen of Cups. And Seven of Swords. Yeah. So, bottom of the deck, Four of Cups. Something na hindi nyo nakikita. The reality of it. Pero, yeah. So, I guess this is a double confirmation that this person is not really good for you. Dalawang devil lang ho ba? So, this person, it's really good na wala na kayo. And it's really good that you take responsibility and umiwas ka na sa tao na to. Kasi, shown here by the Four of Wands is that you have to celebrate na wala ka na dun sa relasyon. Okay? And now there's more balance in your life. Diba? Dati very imbalanced siya eh. Dahil nga, minamanipula ka lang naman ng tao. And at the moment, now that you're out of this, there will be more abundance in your life coming. And mabuti din na nakaiwas ka na nito kasi yung yung abundance is mo, the supposed abundance mo is blocked by this person. Diba? And yung emotional maturity na dapat meron ka na-delay din siya dahil nga sa pinaggagawa nung person mo. And this person is nakakabit siya kasi hindi siya wala siyang sense of alam mo yun, empathy. Kaya napapagitnaan siya ng the devil and Seven of Swords. And Seven of Swords is a card of same, manipulation, deception, cheating. So, may cheating tendencies pa tong person mo. So, you felt manipulated when it comes to the devotion. Parang dito sinasabi dito is, yung person na to, and minanipulahan niya, parang uh, just to get what he wants or she wants from you, diba? Parang nag-pretend siya na devoted and into siya sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, okay na rin talaga na wala ka na sa relasyon na to. Alright? So, sana nakatulong. Titignan natin yung advice ni Universe para sa inyo when it comes to this connection. Sige. Okay. Gratitude. Yan. Magpasalamat ka na wala ka na dito sa relasyon na to because your life is way, way better now na hindi mo na siya kasama. So, be grateful. Pasalamat ka talaga na he or she is out of your life. Okay? Kasi mas nakabuti pa sa'yo na wala na kayo. Okay? So sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Miss Mo Kita Kids. Ingat!